This is the sauce I just made today. Hey everybody, it's Rob Satori, the Sarasota Singing Realtor, coming to you live from the kitchen of Rob Satori at Rob Satori's house. And I made a nice frito with some carrots and celery and onion and garlic. Got that all going and cooked that up, made that nice, and then add some buttered browned mushrooms on top of that. And of course I added two kinds of sausage, mild and hot, and diced tomatoes. And it wasn't quite done yet, but then I had to get the eggplant done because I want to cook some eggplants for my friends. And the eggplant Parmesan, or as they say in Jersey, eggplant Parm, or just Parm. And so there is the eggplant Parmesan, and there is, I didn't use the quality stuff, but man, this still tastes so freaking good. Here it is, baby. Eggplant Parmesan, Rob Satori, Sarasota Singing Realtor. Ooh, ooh, ooh.